Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Suzuki GSX-R750 Super Sport. This bike is in beautiful shape, only has 6,200 miles, brand new tires, adjustable levers. It's got an awesome sounding Two Brothers exhaust system, fender eliminator. Come on by, make your low mileage Super Sport dreams come true for just $79.99. Really awesome yellow and black paint scheme. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.